Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. So, if you're anything like me, your usual research process probably looks a little something like this. Opening up, about 50 different browser tabs just to grasp the basics of a new topic, only to end up completely crashing your computer in the process. We've all been there, right? Well, today, we're looking at a concept that entirely eliminates that chaos. We're going to break down this highly optimized workflow for accelerating artificial intelligence research and multimedia production. It's all about taking a simple prompt and transforming it into a fully realized digital artifact way faster than ever before.
How fast can you research the history of artificial intelligence? I mean, seriously, think about it for a second. Traditionally, this is a massive pain point. You're out there sifting through dense timelines, trying to separate the actual signal from the noise, and it takes hours, sometimes days, just to get a baseline understanding. But what if all that friction was just completely removed? Let's dive into how this new workflow flips that dynamic on its head.
All right, so here is the roadmap for this accelerated workflow. Step 1, fast research. Step 2, import sources. Step 3, summarize. And Step 4, create video overview. Phase 1, initiating fast research. So what exactly is fast research? Well, it's an automated tool that searches across the web to rapidly gather initial information and sources on a chosen topic. And let me tell you, the sheer speed of this thing is just wild to watch. The goal here isn't just to find a couple of quick links on page 1 of a search engine. It's actually designed to completely blanket the web, pulling in this massive array of initial sources and data points. That way you have a comprehensive foundation to work from almost instantaneously. For example, we're searching for the history of artificial intelligence. Now, that is a massive subject, right? We're talking decades of complex technological evolution, deep philosophical debates, thousands of distinct breakthroughs. And yet this workflow takes this incredibly broad phrase and literally sweeps the entire web in moments. The contrast between the sheer vastness of the topic and the blistering speed of that automated gathering phase is honestly quite amazing to see in action. Phase 2, curating your sources. Okay, so all of those initial findings are then populated right into the source panel. That's the interface located on the left side of the screen where your fast research results appear for user review. Instead of just a chaotic list of open browser tabs, think of this as your new command center. Actually, scratch that. It's more like a highly curated control room. The raw web can be totally overwhelming, but having this neat lineup really sets the stage for a massive strategic advantage in your workflow. Now, what's really interesting about this is the system prompt. Once they've loaded, you can review them and click Import to add the ones you like to our notebook. This right here is exactly where that human-in-the-loop element really shines. You see, you aren't just blindly accepting everything the search found. You are actively reviewing your command center and selectively choosing to import only the most relevant, high-quality sources into your digital notebook. Basically, you are the curator. The AI is simply your hyper-fast assistant, fetching all the best options for you.
Phase 3 and 4, synthesis and generating final artifacts.
So the crucial point is that the very moment those curated sources are added, the AI instantly provides a comprehensive source summary. But it doesn't stop at just text. No way. It moves directly into creating a video overview. It is honestly fascinating how seamlessly the system jumps from raw text to rich multimedia without missing a single beat. And of course, you aren't just locked into a video format. You'll always have the option to generate any other desired artifact based on that newly summarized info, making this an incredibly flexible way to create. Would you like me to wait for you to import those? Or shall I look for even more specific aspects of AI history? I mean, what a fantastic provocative question to end on. It puts you entirely in the driver's seat of your own learning. Are you ready to synthesize what you have and create your overview? Or do you need the AI to dive even deeper and get granular on a highly specific era? It perfectly illustrates how this technology isn't just a tool, it acts as an ongoing interactive partner in your research process. Thank you so much for joining me to explore this fascinating workflow, and until next time, keep learning